In this presentation, we explore the art of debugging, a critical skill in software development that focuses on systematically identifying, analyzing, and correcting errors in programs. Debugging goes beyond fixing mistakes, it emphasizes logical reasoning, problem solving, and understanding program behavior. Debugging is an essential skill in software development. It is the process of identifying and fixing errors, also known as bugs, in a program. Debugging helps improve the correctness and reliability of the software. This process combines logical thinking, careful code analysis, and experience to resolve issues effectively. Debugging is the process of detecting, analyzing, and correcting errors in a program. These errors may be related to syntax, runtime behavior, or logical mistakes. The main goal of debugging is to ensure that the program behaves as expected and produces correct results. Debugging ensures that a program executes correctly. It improves overall software quality by eliminating errors at an early stage. Effective debugging helps prevent system failures during real-time usage. By fixing issues early, it saves time and cost in later stages of development. Ultimately, debugging increases user trust in the software. There are three common types of errors encountered during debugging. Syntax errors occur due to mistakes in programming language rules. Runtime errors occur while the program is executing. Logical errors occur when the program runs successfully but produces incorrect output. The debugging process follows a systematic set of steps. First, the error is identified by observing incorrect program behavior. Next, the exact source of the bug is located in the code. Then, the cause of the error is analyzed carefully. After that, the error is fixed by correcting the code. Finally, the program is tested again to ensure the issue is completely resolved. Several techniques are commonly used during debugging. Print statements are used to check intermediate values and program flow. Debugging tools such as breakpoints and step-by-step execution help analyze code behavior. Code review allows developers to identify errors by examining the logic. The divide and conquer method narrows down the problem area efficiently. Rubber duck debugging involves explaining the code aloud to identify logical mistakes. Various tools are used to support the debugging process. Integrated development environment debuggers help inspect variables and control program execution. Logging tools record program activity and assist in identifying errors. Stack trace analyzers help locate the exact point where an error occurred. Version control systems help track changes and revert faulty code when needed. Let us consider a simple debugging example. Suppose a program produces an incorrect output. Print statements are used to trace intermediate values during execution. By observing these values, the wrong condition or logic is identified. After correcting the logic, the program is retested to confirm proper behavior. Effective debugging requires following certain best practices. First, understand the code clearly before attempting to fix any issue. Fix one bug at a time to avoid introducing new errors. Always test the program after every fix. Writing clean and readable code makes debugging easier. Most importantly, stay calm and patient during the debugging process. Debugging is both an art and a skill in software development. It is essential for building reliable software systems. Effective debugging requires logical thinking, patience, and continuous practice. By mastering debugging techniques, developers can deliver high-quality and dependable applications. Thank you for your time and attention. I hope this presentation helped you understand the importance of unit testing and integration testing in software development. I'm happy to answer any questions or discuss further if needed.